In this assignment, we will show you how to create the storage systems in AWS using either S3 or EFS. EFS is the electronic file system, and S3 is the simple bucket type storage systems where you can create the multiple copies of your same storage, and not only that, you can give the read write access privilege to the different users through the S3 storage systems. And in the free tier you will get 5 GB of storage, and you can create maximum of 100 numbers of buckets within your S3 systems. And it's a simple three-step process. Go through the services of AWS, then go directly to S3. I have already one bucket present. If you select that bucket, immediately it will show you the what are the different properties of that bucket. So as I have omitted all the security provisioning and the other services also, like the versioning. That means if you change the contents of the bucket, then different versions will be created, so that if you want to retrieve the previous version, that can also be possible. And do you want to use your bucket for the static web hosting? That can also be possible. So here I have made it disabled, so it will not be used for right now. So several options are present. Better to create a new bucket. So go to create bucket. Now give a bucket name, and that bucket name, there is a naming convention in AWS, and you have to maintain that naming convention. I'm showing you what are the naming conventions are present. First of all, you can create 100 numbers of buckets in the AWS service limit. And after you have created a bucket within a region, you cannot change the region. The region will remain fixed. And rules for bucket renaming. Bucket names must be unique across all existing bucket names in S3. Bucket names must comply with the DNS naming conventions. Um, DNS naming conventions you have to maintain, and it must be at least 3 characters and 63 characters long. Bucket name must not contain uppercase characters or underscore or at the rate, no special character it will take. Not only that, if the bucket name is available, then it will be provided to you. And it cannot be in the format of an IP address. And when you use a virtual hosted style buckets, the secure socket layer or the SSL wildcard certificates and matches buckets and don't contain periods. That means you can access your bucket either through SSL or HTTP, but we'll take only the simple link for the document that you have stored within the bucket, and we'll access it. So you have to maintain the rules that is specified for the bucket management. Now I'm giving, and there should not be any space. Oh, it will not accept uppercase. So I have to give AWS second bucket schedule. Now either if any existing buckets specifications and the settings, you can copy it. So instead of this, I want to show it from the scratch. Now I am not keeping the versioning systems. That case the amount of copy will increase, and the log request for access to your bucket. That means that every time you have to log in. That case you have to give the login ID and password also. So I take this options also. And there is a CloudWatch systems in AWS. That means you can monitor the request in your buckets, how it is behaving, and for that it is a chargeable one. So I am not going into that portion only also. Now here this option will be by default enabled, that is block all public access if you want to make your data confidential. Now I want to remove that one because I want to show you how to access in that case the data cannot be accessed from by the other users. Now I want to show here access your data from the external by the external users also. So I make these options disable. And also here, do not grant Amazon S3 log delivery group to write access to this bucket. So I'm also making this option disable. So I made this option enable that grant Amazon S3 log delivery group write access to this bucket. Now I'm creating the bucket. So bucket you can consider it as a quite like a folder. So Uh, another thing is that already I have not chosen the region as not Virginia, but you have the options to choose any one of the availability zone. You have the options, and here I make it public access. Okay, so this is my second bucket. Now in this bucket, these are the properties that I have chosen. Now if I want to keep anything or upload any documents inside this bucket, so what I have to do, go to upload, add files. I am adding 3 documents in this bucket and then upload. Now upload process is completed. Now how to access the data? Suppose if I click that one, now here it will show you the object URL. That one. Here it will show you the object URL. Just copy that object URL. Now open another tab. Just paste it. You can access it. Oh, here it is access denied. Let us see what happens. Oh, that XML file format is not supported. Okay, fine. So let us see that whether is there any other format is there or not. XLS. Okay. Let us go into another bucket I have. Here you have the PDF format. Okay. So if I click that one, take the object URL, bucket object URL. So here it is now opening. Why the other options? I failed to open the document because it is in XLS format, which is not recognized by this bucket. But you can obviously download it. So download option is present. So if we select any one of them, go to action and either you can download it or you can copy it or right now you make it public. You can restrict the access also. So here everyone has access has the options to access it. Now if you want to restrict this one, so how to restrict this? Go to permission, go to permission. Now here it is off. Go to edit and block all public access and save it. Now here you have to mention it, confirm. Now if we confirm this one, if we go to the bucket, now it will not be possible for the others to access it. Right now, as you are the owner, you can access it, but from any third party, it will not be possible to access. Here, as you are the owner, so it will be possible for you. Now, if you want to download and delete this bucket, go and delete it. Now you have to type the bucket name, AWS second bucket. Confirm it. Type the exact bucket name I have. I think I made a mistake. AWS second. Let's see what is the bucket name. Oh, second bucket Sajal. Okay, fine. So the name is AWS second bucket Sajal. Now your bucket will be deleted. So it's a simple concept. You can create a new bucket and also